In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play videos uploaded to Google Drive. Whether you're sharing videos for work, with friends, or for personal projects, accessing and playing them seamlessly is crucial. So let's dive into it. First, you want to make sure you're logged into your Google account. This is essential because without being logged in, you won't have access to your Google Drive where your videos are stored. Now let's head over to Google Drive. You can easily do this by opening your web browser and typing in the URL drive.google.com. Alternatively, if you've got the Google Drive app installed on a mobile device, you can tap the app icon to open it up. Once you're in Google Drive, look for the search bar located at the top of the page. It's really designed to help you quickly find any file or document you need, including videos. So go ahead and click on that search bar and type in the word video. This will help filter your results, showing all the video files that have been uploaded to your drive. Take a moment to browse through the list of videos that appear. Your videos might be saved under specific file names, so make sure you recognize the name of the video you wish to play. Once you've identified the correct video, the next step is to play it. To do this, you simply want to double click on the video file. This action will open a new window or tab displaying a player where your video will load. Remember that the time it takes to open and play your video might depend on the file size and your internet speed. If your connection is slow, the video may take a few extra moments to buffer before it begins playing smoothly. If you run into any issues playing videos, a quick refresh of your browser page can often resolve minor playback glitches. Some of you might prefer watching videos in full screen mode, and that's totally doable. All you need to do is click the full screen icon in the lower right corner of the video player. This expands your video to fill the entire screen, offering a better viewing experience. To exit full screen mode, press the escape key or hit the full screen icon again. Finally, if you're ever prompted about allowing third-party cookies or firewall issues while playing videos, just make sure to adjust your browser settings accordingly to allow Google Drive to stream videos smoothly. Following these steps should make playing videos on Google Drive a breeze. That's it. By following these simple and straightforward instructions, you can quickly and easily play any video you've uploaded to Google Drive. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you enjoy your videos with ease.